So welcome back to the Dadskillz car channel. Now, summer has finally arrived in the UK and I'm driving around in a very small car with a pano roof and windows that don't open. So this week I sorted that out and I've actually got speakers in the front as well now. How cool?
Dementia Cafe that is in Dymchurch. Really interesting story. And Claire Nazir from Channel 5.
Okay, so we have one door that's all working. Central lock-in. We've got a second-hand tweeter that works. We've got a brand new speaker with a tweeter built into it. And the window works without any noise, which is fantastic. So now with the passenger side, I've taken the door card off, which you didn't need to see because you've seen the other one. Now, something that tells me already that someone has had a look at this window or tried to fix it is there was a screw missing. So that's that. Then I take the old speaker off, which is knackered. And now we've got this. So someone has tried to do something. So whether it's had a new regulator or something, I don't know. So let's take this apart and see what we got. It's not a very nice repair. But I'm sure it's repaired well enough to work if it was going to. But these wires are the wrong way round. Now, whether that makes a difference or not, because I know I can hear the relay clicking when I click the button. I'm going to swap those round, and I'm going to use something from the day job. I'm going to use these Wagos, even though these are 3-pole. It doesn't matter. That's what I've got, so that's what I'm going to use. So we've cut all that crap out. And we've connected the right wires to the right wires. So let's just have to see if that works, shall we? Nah, I can hear it trying, but it's not doing anything. Okay, let's get a new regulator. Well, okay, that whole thing is crazy. So there are 4 bolts all the way around. Here, down here, down here, and here. And then there are 3 screws here, which seem to hold the regulator on. Then inside, I'll show you on the new one, the window is held in by these things. And so to get those off is really tricky. That was crazy. Right, so now I can get this out, hopefully, and put the new one in. There's not a lot to see, really. I'll just do it and show you. So we're back in. All these are back in, done up. These are in. Now up here, there's a few things that need to be fastened back, which you probably can't see, but let's have a little go, shall we, and see what happens. Oh yes. Oh, fantastic. Excellent. Right, let's get this bit of glass back in, speaker on, and we're job done. Ah! Okay, so let's have a little check. We have a window. Oh yes. Do we have a radio? We have van. Do we have a radio? Yes, we do. Awesome. Brilliant. Well, there we go. We now have fully working stuff indoors, which is fantastic. Doesn't it look great out here in the sun? Looks fantastic. There's one more thing I'll show you before I go, and that is, are you ready? Oh yeah, get in. Right, I'll see you next time.